Welcome. In this quick guide, we'll talk about knife safety in the kitchen. Knives are very useful, but they can also be dangerous if not used properly. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, it's important to know how to handle them safely. Let's get started. Types of knives. There are many types of knives. First, the chef's knife. This is a big, sharp knife for chopping and slicing. Always use a rocking motion, and keep your fingers out of the way. A paring knife is small and great for peeling or cutting small fruits. Always cut away from your hand to stay safe. A utility knife is great for tasks like slicing tomatoes or cheese. Make sure your cutting board is steady so the knife doesn't slip. Bread knife. It has a serrated edge, which means it's perfect for cutting through crusty bread. Knife safety tips. Now, let's talk about safety. Never leave knives in soapy water. You can't see them, and that's dangerous. Always wash and dry knives right after using them. Don't use knives for things they weren't made for, like opening packages. This can damage the knife and cause accidents. Always use a stable cutting board. A damp cloth underneath can keep it from sliding around. Focus when you cut. Don't try to do other things at the same time, like texting or talking. Always be careful. How to handle knives safely. When holding a knife, use the claw grip. Tuck your fingers in and use your knuckles to guide the knife safely. Always cut on a stable surface like a cutting board. Never hold food in your hand while cutting. Knife maintenance. Keep knives sharp. Use a honing rod to straighten the blade. If the knife is very dull, get it professionally sharpened. Check for damage. If a knife has cracks or rust, it might be unsafe. Replace or fix it right away. By using the right knife for each task and following safety tips, you'll have a safe and efficient kitchen. Thanks for watching.